we got our first package from HelloFresh, and I just wanted to unbox it with you. I've never got this before, and I'm not affiliated or have a sponsorship, of course, but I do have a referral code. Everybody who signs up gets a referral code to share with their friends, so I will put that in the description. But we're just going to show you what we got today. It says Hello Gift, and it gives you a coupon for, I guess, these little chocolates it gave us. Extra dark chocolate and Lily's salted caramel. I know who will get what. I'll get this one, and my husband will get the dark chocolate. And then they gave us this little brochure and some basics that you need. It has an app, and that comes in handy. The app shows like all the different recipes. So if you don't want to keep buying these, you can keep these cards or go on the app and save some of the recipes and use those. It tells you what comes in the kit, and then there's always a few things that you need that they don't include, like just salt and pepper, olive oil, and stuff like that. But this is the recipe for the cheesy smothered mushroom chicken. We got the beef ragu spaghetti with zucchini and Italian seasoning. And we got the chicken cheddar fajitas. I don't like peppers, but I'm going to try my best maybe to just make it with the peppers and eat it. But not with the jalapenos. I know I can't stomach the peppers and the jalapenos. But I'm going to try to eat some different things this time. And this is packaged in like some kind of ice. More things, and then you're going to get a bag with each recipe in it. This is the cheesy smothered mushroom chicken. I'll open this and see what's in it. I won't show you all of these probably, but this is how things are packaged, individually wrapped. Have some mushrooms. And the potatoes and carrots are loose in here. I did see people that were upset about all the plastic packaging, so that's not too bad that they're just loose in here. They're not packaged. And I have some cheese, sour cream, and everything I need to make that. The meat is in the bottom, I think, under some more ice. Yeah, my meat is in the bottom. So then we're going to have the beef ragu spaghetti. I'm going to show you some of these ingredients because I think they're cute. I saw these online a while ago. You get a little Italian tomatoes, the Italian seasoning, an onion. This says beef. I'm not sure what this is. If this is like a broth. And this is supposed to be enough for 2 people. You get some spaghetti. I don't know if this is whole wheat spaghetti or regular spaghetti noodles. But you get enough for 2 people. A zucchini. Some Parmesan. Some chili flakes. It says a teaspoon. You get your garlic cloves. And you get a garlic herb butter. So that's very cute. I might as well show you the last one. That way I can see for myself what's in this package. Because like I said, I haven't looked in here yet. My husband brought it in and put it in the refrigerator. So I could unbox it when I got home. This is the chicken cheddar fajitas. You get your tortillas, flour tortillas, a yellow bell pepper. I don't know what's on this. Something smushed out. Uh-oh, a sour cream smushed out. And they do tell you, like if you have a problem with your order like this, that they'll make it right. But sour cream is no big deal. I can use some sour cream in the other one. This is the Southwest Spice Blend. And a lime. And then the broken sour cream's in here. I'm going to take it out. I don't know how it got smushed, but it's okay. And then under here we have the meat. So I'm going to take that out and put it back in the freezer. And the ice is still solid, so we didn't have to worry about anything like it defrosting. So this is the boneless, skinless chicken breast. Raised without antibiotics, so that's good. And then you have your hamburger meat. So that is what is in our box. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want my referral code, it'll help me and you out. I'll put that in the description. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day.